In industrial manufacturing, every price you set travels through dozens of markets, channels, and discount structures. And somewhere between list price and pocket price, margin quietly leaks away. Spreadsheets can't keep up. Meet PriceGrid, one coordinated grid for your global price position. Revenue, pocket margin, and corridor compliance, all in one command center. It monitors realized prices daily and flags margin leakage before it hits your P&L. Every euro from list to pocket is explained. Discounts, rebates, freight, so you know exactly where to act. Set strategy once. AI translates it into price guidance per product, segment, and market. Country managers get explainable AI recommendations and a pricing copilot that answers in plain language. Approvals, audit trails, and a direct push to SAP. Governed, compliant, fully traceable. The result? Faster cycles, tighter corridors, and margin you can defend.
PriceGrid by Youwe SYMSON. Global price intelligence, governed from guidance to ERP.